All right, this is going to be part 9, and it's going to be covering the wedding day shot list. So during the getting ready part, you want to have a wedding dress on a hanger. I bring my own hanger that I bought. Probably bought it on Amazon. It says bride on it, just in case they have a kind of ugly plastic hanger. I can use my hanger instead, and it makes a much prettier picture. The wedding invitation is not always available. Sometimes they have it there and sometimes they don't. But if they have it, you can use it. You can combine it with other things, not just the wedding invitation by itself, but you can add in the engagement ring, wedding bands, the bouquets, jewelry. During the getting ready, you're going to want to take pictures of the bride applying makeup, bride getting help into her dress, getting her hair done, putting the veil on if she has one, the groom tying his tie, the groom pinning the boutonniere on his father or best man, and then them leaving for the ceremony. I'm not always able to get each of these, but they, along with the request from the bride and groom, are the goal. Before the bride and groom see each other, if you have time, get pictures of the bride alone, bride with mom and dad, bride with just her dad, bride with just her mom, bride with her immediate family, the bride with siblings, generational shot. These are always really nice if they're all there. Bride, mom, sisters, grandma, bride with mom and mother-in-law, with her mother-in-law, her with her bridesmaids, maid of honor, flower girls, if there are any. You'll want to get the groom alone, same thing, pretty much all the same things with the groom and groomsmen. Yeah, just kind of go through this whole shot list. You could do a screenshot of this, or I could also send this, just this screen, so that you'll kind of have an idea about that shot list. Next, you'll want to do, this is obviously either a first look or immediately after the ceremony. The photos together are going to be, I covered it earlier, but bride and groom, I add in the bride and groom with the minister or whoever did the wedding, and then the bride with each of their immediate family, their parents, I add in grandparents, add in their immediate family, and then the spouses, so on and so forth. I've covered this in a different one. And then these are just important moments to keep in mind that some people do and some people don't. Some want to do a first look, others don't. The wedding party and the parents walking down the aisle, the bride obviously walking down the aisle, the groom's face as he waits and when he sees her, during the vows. It's really important to have both photographers shooting during the ceremony, especially the vows. You're going to have one photographer shooting the bride or groom as they're saying their vows, and the other one is going to be doing the bride or groom as they're listening to the vows. Do a close-up of the exchange of the rings, the first kiss as husband and wife, and then the recessional. And also you want to get, usually they'll want you to get a picture of them signing the marriage certificate, get close-up of the centerpieces, the reception entrance, the first dances, the toast, the cake cutting, bouquet and garter toss, the parents of the bride dancing, parents of the groom dancing, and then the couple's departure. And that is it. That covers it all. You can feel free to ask me any questions. I'll do my best to answer them if I can.